Hi, this is Shelly from Be the Change Consulting. Today we're going to be bringing you another activity from our curriculum, Icebreakers and Team Builders to build social emotional skills. And before we jump into that, you may have noticed this cute little flower crown. This is from the newest version of Zoom. So if you want video filters, if you want new reactions, make sure you upgrade that so that you can get this too. Today we're going to be talking about who I am. So who I am is a great activity that you can either do in the beginning of a session, pull it out from your back pocket anytime, and the objectives are to get to know each other in a fun and different way. So we need to go to our Be the Change website and download the handout for who I am. The second thing you need to know is that using this handout, you will send folks into breakout rooms, either in pairs or triads. And the third thing is, after you bring folks back from the breakout rooms, you will want to be sure to chart out all of their answers so that you would be recreating the experience of having their own who I am or who we are posters. And so with these three things, you'll be able to explore commonalities, you'll get to celebrate difference, you'll get to dig deeper and get more curious about each other. And you can always bring this back anytime during your sessions. And so that's that. Let us know how you like it, and you can get it here.